If you visited your Redbox during the week of February 9th, you should have gotten a spend $30, get $10 off select Maybelline and L'Oreal products. This also includes some other products. If you look at the ad, it's got some products listed on here, as well as on page 6. So I'm going to be taking advantage of this deal today. I'm going to start by getting 4 of the L'Oreal hair care shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to get 4 of these. They're on sale 2 for $8, and you get $5 back when you spend $15. I'm going to be using 2 of the $4 off coupons. One of them is from the February 9th Retail Me Not. The other one is from the January 19th Retail Me Not. So I'm going to grab 4 of these. The Garnier Whole Blends are on sale 2 for $7. I also have my $2 off 2 CRT that I printed off at the end of last week. So I'm going to buy 2 of these. And I'm also going to use the $4 off 2. This one I believe was from the 119 Retail Me Not, but there was also a $4 off 2 in the February 9th Retail Me Not as well. Next, I'm going to be getting the Garnier Facial Care. It is buy 2, get $5 back in extra care bucks. We don't currently have any manufacturer coupon for these, but I do have a 40% off skincare that I'm going to be using. Now, in the ad, it does say the $30 can be spent on Garnier facial care products. So I've heard some people have had some issues with the $10 off coming off, but we're gonna go ahead and try it. Okay, so I was at the $30 without the Garnier Whole Blends, but since these are on sale 2 for $7, and with these 2 coupons I'm only going to be paying $1, I'm going to go ahead and get them as well. But I was at 30 with the 4 L'Oreal and the 2 Garnier. So let's head to the checkout and see how it goes. Okay, so here's my receipt for this transaction, and you'll see why I was so upset with what happened at the end. So I got the 4 L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, I got the 2 Whole Blends shampoo and conditioner, and I got the 2 Garnier facial care wipes. And now down here at my coupons, I had the $4 off for 2 of the L'Oreal, $4 off for the other 2 L'Oreal, $4 off for the Whole Blend. Then I had a $3 L'Oreal manufacturer coupon. Now here's where it goes wrong. I had a $3 off 15 hair care on this account that the cashier applied, and because he applied the $3 off 15 hair care, the $10 off 30 that printed at the coupon box for everybody for the L'Oreal, Maybelline, and Garnier products would not attach to my transaction. So my $2 off Whole Blends Garnier CRT came off. I had a 40% Garnier skincare that came off. And I used $10 in extra care bucks. Now my total before my extra care bucks had that $10 off 30 came off. My total before extra care bucks would have been around $8. So I would have paid $10 in extra care bucks, which means I would have paid nothing out of pocket. And then I would have got back $10 in extra care bucks, which means all of this would have been free plus a Moneymaker. But because the cashier applied that $3 off 15 hair care, I could not use the $10 off 30, and he actually kept the $10 off 30. He did not give it back to me. So, he kept my coupon, and he did not apply it. So, I was a little upset at the end of this transaction. I paid $503 before tax out of pocket. With tax, it was $752. Now, I did get back $5 in extra care bucks for the L'Oreal and $5 in extra care bucks for the Garnier facial care products. So, it still ended up being a moneymaker for me because my out-of-pocket was less than $10, and I did get $10 back. But I was really upset at the fact that that $3 off 15 was attached automatically without even asking me if I wanted to attach that. So that's how that trip to CVS went. Make sure this doesn't happen to you. Make sure you guys are mentioning to the cashiers what coupons you have and what coupons that you want to apply during each transaction. Until my next video, I will see you guys later. Hope everybody has a good day. Bye.